Yeah.
That's actually insane, bro. Holy shit.
That's beautiful.
Look how clean the transmission looks now, though. It looks like we put a new one in. Middle. I did not adjust the clutch yet.
Holy shit. I stole it and you had to push it at the intersection.
Oh no!
Holy shit! Oh! Oh my god, dude! Holy shit! Yo! Oh my gosh! Yo! Oh my god! Yes! Yeah! Holy shit, dude! Got no starter.
But like, go, 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 go. Okay, let us push. Turn, turn.
Holy shit.